Most wholesalers pick VAs just like they pick their fast food. Simple, easy, and quick. And guaranteed a little bit later in the day to give you instant regret. Then you go out here and wonder why your leads hang up faster than your ex-girlfriend from high school. Let me show you exactly how to get VAs the right way in wholesaling real estate that actually end up staying, makes you feel good, and the leads actually stay on the phone and you get to close some wholesaling deals. Now, I'll be honest with you, all jokes aside, hiring the wrong cold caller is like giving a toddler a chainsaw. Technically, they can use it, but most likely there's going to be some severe damage that's going to happen from it. And the responsibility is ultimately up to you because you gave the toddler the chainsaw. So if you don't want to get your deals shredded to pieces, I'm going to show you exactly how to find VAs the right way for wholesaling success. Now, one of the most frustrating things I can think about when it comes to scaling out my wholesaling operations, especially starting out, was dealing with virtual assistants. Most people have extreme anxiety just thinking about, oh, Zach wants me to hire another VA? Like, ugh. Trust me, I'm not here to give you emotional damage. I'm actually going to show you to hire VAs the right way so you can actually have success. And what's going to be pretty shocking is you're actually not going to hire the VA. You're actually not going to train the VA. You're not going to manage the VA, and you're going to pay cheaper than anybody else for this entire system I'm about to throw at you right now. Now, most people don't know, but VAs are actually extremely expensive. And most VAs probably cost you around $22 an hour. Now, it might be like, Zach, what are you talking about? All right, what are those people in Florida giving you to be saying this? And I'm telling you the complete truth. VAs most likely are going to cost you around $22 an hour. Let me explain why. So if you work a job in the United States of America, the average income for an hourly worker usually comes out to, in 2025, 2026, about $20 an hour. And that roughly comes out to about $41,600 a year in like a regular salary. Now, for most Americans, if you work like a regular job, right, you get paid that for 40 hours of work. But when you go over 40 hours, you get something called overtime, which for most places is about a time and a half, which means if you want to work over 40 hours a week, that's called OT, overtime, that comes out to about $30 an hour. That's how much you get paid on overtime. Now, this really begs the question. We're going to be learning something today called opportunity cost. What I basically mean by this is, again, if you're working OT, you're going to be making $30 an hour. And let's say you want to go cold call yourself on a dialer. Cold calling yourself, technically, and this is how most people look at things, is free. $0. Completely free. So that's how most people look at it. We're going to cold call ourselves. It's going to cost no money at all because I work my regular job, 40 hours, and then I cold call myself. When in all actuality, if you could pay, let's say a VA for, let's say it's $5 an hour, all you would have to do is work maybe, let's call it 7 hours to go out here and make $210. And if you paid somebody $5 an hour for 40 hours, you would go out here and pay them $200. So you're telling me, and this is the big secret here, all I have to do is work 7 hours and I can get someone to call for me for 40 hours. So 7 hours for me is going to be 40 hours for the VA. See, nobody looks at that like this. They say, oh, wait, what? But I hate my job, dude. No. What you hate more than your job is sitting around and cold calling all day. So I highly encourage wholesalers, if you're going out here working a regular job and they do offer overtime, one of the best things you possibly can do here is to have calling yourself for have a VA cold call for you. You work 7 hours at $30 an hour, make $210. There's only 7 hours, by the way. It's an extra hour and a half a day. And then you could have somebody cold call for you 40 hours a week. Think about this, an hour and a half extra, an extra 90 minutes of work a day. And you could have somebody spend 8 hours. So you spend an hour and a half extra a day. And then you have somebody spend 8 hours a day calling for you. This is so easy, right? I mean, think of your schedule like this. Let's say you work Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, right? And you say, you know what? I'm going to work overtime. So I'm going to work till 6:30. So my new schedule is 9 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Sounds absolutely brutal. But let me give you a couple secrets here. First and foremost, when you leave work, you do not have rush hour traffic anymore. You actually get to stop rush hour traffic. This is one of the biggest secrets. You spend 30 minutes less time in traffic now because you're leaving at 6:30, not at 5. If you live in Miami, Atlanta, LA, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Philly, absolutely brutal traffic. But remember, at 6:30, you go home at 6:30 and all you do is just close leads. Think about that for a second. All you do is just close leads. Holy cow. So I go home and I just close the leads. Or you decide you're going to work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Then you go home and what? I mean, to replicate a VA, you would have to call till midnight, 12 a.m., which isn't even legal for most cold calling. Like, you can't even beat a VA at 40 hours a week because you're literally, all you're doing is calling maybe from 5 to 7. So let's say you're doing calling from 5 to 7 p.m. yourself. 2 times 5, that 10 hours a week at most. That's why a lot of wholesalers are struggling while working a job, because you're only getting 10 hours of work when you could get 40 hours by only working an extra hour and a half a day, 5 days a week. So you go home, all you do is call. You don't have time for closing. This is where most people are struggling, especially when it comes to doing it all themselves. It's actually cheaper to have a VA doing the calling than you doing it yourself now. Now, let me tell you something even crazier. The sheer scale of how this math works, hiring VAs from all over the country to call for you versus you, is absolutely terrifying if you are competition for yourself. So think about this. If you decide you are going to work 10 overtime hours a week, okay, that might be like one extra day. You work Saturdays. Oh, terrible. You are going to make $300 on average for working 10 overtime hours. That 10 overtime hours is going to go get you 67 cold call hours. That will produce you on average 2 to 4 leads a day. That is the craziest thing about it. So you get 67 hours of calling by just working 10 hours at your regular job. This is why some wholesalers are succeeding with VAs and some aren't. They're leveraging their time, but doing it correctly, right? So $30 an hour will give you 5 hours. So if you have a VA call center that you're hiring, right, they're on average going to charge you about $6 an hour to have a VA because they're doing the management, they're doing all that crap. You just give them a list, they call, right? That's pretty dang cool. $6 an hour. So that means if you make 30 for every 1 hour that you work is equal to 5 hours cold calling overseas. It's like Matthew McConaughey interstellar type stuff, right? An hour in this planet's 30 hours somewhere else. This is like the closest thing to interstellar, interdimensional alien travel that we can have. Let me tell you something even crazier. So hiring your own VAs absolutely sucks. Okay? I'll be straight up with you. Having your own VAs, having your own virtual assistants absolutely sucks donkey. Why? Because it's just not the cost. It is the time that you have to spend training these people. On top of that too, you have to go out here and monitor the VAs and make sure they're not scamming you, which happens a lot. Then you have to go hire them. Then you have to go interview them. Then you got to go out here and manage the VAs, which you're not going to hire a manager, right? No, you're not going to do that. Then you have to go pay them. Hopefully you know how to pay Filipino pesos and do the right equations because it does get costly. Make sure you do the right forms so the IRS don't go back at you for this. And let's say you want to do it all yourself. You'll probably get high quality VAs that aren't in the Philippines so they don't have an accent. You know, Mexico, Egypt, right? It's going to cost you probably $5 an hour to do it yourself. Now, you could hire a cold calling agency, and cold calling agencies are actually pretty good. What they do is they probably just charge an extra $1 an hour and then they'll do all that crappy stuff for you. So they'll charge you about $6 an hour, which isn't bad. And you just hire them, you give them the list, you have the callers call it, they have a whole call center, they got a good reputation. Awesome. Now, how do they actually make money? Well, most call centers, from what I can see, they're hiring these VAs for about $4 an hour, and then it costs them about 50 cents an hour to go out here and have training systems, dialer seats, all that stuff, like all the monitoring programs, managers, right? Stuff's very expensive. I have a lot of VAs on my payroll. Probably costs them around $4.50 an hour, which means they make about $1.50 per hour per VA that you hire, which honestly is not that bad. That's a good business for them. It makes everybody money. That's why I love capitalism like this. And how did I come up with this $4.50? Well, that's actually my hard costs when it comes to hiring my own VAs not in the Philippines. I could probably get $3 for the Philippines, in Egypt and in Mexico. That's how much it costs me to hire, train, and keep my KPIs and managers on top of all the VAs on a massive call center in multiple countries across the world. So what if I could give you the VAs that we hire, we train, and we go out here and get them set up perfectly for cold calling for wholesaling real estate on my own systems? How much would I charge you? $5, $6, $7? Probably charge you about $6.50 per VA, honestly, if I just actually want to make money on this thing, right? It's a lot of headache and managers for this. Did you know that I provide all my VAs to everybody in my community, my paid school group, Join M2M, so I don't even charge to use these VAs. I mean, obviously you have to pay $4.50 for them, but if you go to joinm2m.com, all you do is just pay $4.50 for these VAs. Now you got to be in the paid school group to get access, but I would actually go out here and provide you all my VAs for $4.50. What I highly recommend is you join my school group, joinm2m.com, Marketing to Millions. The reason is we guarantee your first wholesaling deal in under 90 days. Why? Because if you follow our system, right, so you hire our VAs and we monitor the VAs, you are going to get guaranteed 1 to 2 leads every single day from our cold callers. And the really cool part about it is because we're managing the VAs, we know we can give you the leads. And all we have to do is make sure you know how to close, and you're going to get a deal in 90 days. Now, if you can't get a deal through our entire system, you follow what our coaches tell you what to do, step by step, and use our VAs, all of our systems, and you don't get a deal, we'll just give you your entire money back after 90 days. But this is pretty much the closest thing to guaranteed success as I can give. Now, I can never guarantee somebody's success in wholesaling real estate, but we guarantee we'll get you a wholesaling deal or we'll give you your money back. So if you really want to get VAs, what you need to do is join m2m.com, join Marketing to Millions, and join the M2M community. And you're gonna be able to get my VAs for $4.50. You're gonna have our multiple 7-figure wholesaling coaches and me hop on 3 coaching calls every single week and monitor your KPIs, have you submit your KPIs every single week. We monitor your success and guarantee your deal in 90 days or we'll give you your money back. So if you wanna stop hiring VAs and actually start having wholesaling success, just go to joinm2m.com and we'll see you inside. Guys, if you got any value from this video, do me a favor, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.